Support for this program provided by
Hello fellow woodchopperoos, Chad here, and on today's episode I'm going to show you how to build a fast, cheap, and easy bed frame. Now I say fast because, well, I needed one quickly. I had family coming in from out of town, and over the course of 2 evenings I built this bed frame. I don't even think there's probably 8 hours into it. I say cheap because I built it out of poplar. Now I know what you're thinking, whoa, wait a second, Chad. You go into the big box stores, well, poplar's more expensive. Why didn't I build it out of pine? That's because I get my wood from Kencraft. At Kencraft, I can get hardwoods at the cost of pine at those big box stores. Now, if you don't live near Kencraft, don't worry about it. Below in the description is a link to their website, and they will actually ship the wood to your house. Now, the last thing I said this bed was easy, and that's because I didn't use any kind of hardware or fancy joints for it. I used dowels, pocket holes, and screws from McFeely's. So, without further ado, let's cue that dance music. you enjoyed that project. If so, please like and subscribe, where we have 3 different videos every week, Monday, Wednesday, and on Friday. And of course, please support the sponsors that make this show possible. Thank you very much for watching, and keep on dancing.